Hello and welcome to another video on looking at the foundations of Shopify 101, which is part of the section to take the certification exam to be a Shopify partner. So the first model talk about the Shopify, what is Shopify, how Shopify works, which is focuses on the commerce operations, meaning product management, inventory management, payment processing, as well as shipping. And I also look at how they create several videos, educational, as well as for merchandise or the advertising about selling their live dream, and also the inspirational videos. So by looking at how these two sisters in India have an idea, they start with an idea and then build a business and now scale that in a place that they are hiring several other women, not only in their city but also across other cities. So it's a way to legitimize their content, their success story, and also from the technical aspect or the data, the more hard truths or the data, okay? Because first I look at the narrative aspect, okay, and then we look at the numbers. And here is like, well, according to Pipe Candy, this is a company that dedicates, is a digital marketing intelligence company that focus on targeting the direct to consumers in e-commerce landscape. So based on a study done in October 2021, where they based on the study they conduct on how many people use e-commerce platforms. Okay, so in US and India, 57.8% use Shopify, while it is closest competitor WooCommerce 9.9%. And also how Shopify has this sustainability fund, uh, and understand this then lead me to look at what is the Shopify ecosystem and what are the two key players in that. You have the merchants, which are everything for Shopify. After all, there are people that they have an idea, turn that into a business, start selling in the platforms, and growth. So the way and the things that these merchants can sell vary quite a bit. So merchants not only sell online, whether it's on their online store, the mobile phone, digital marketplace, whether it's Google or um, Amazon. Also, this is very narrow, specific to the US or India demographics, because in other places like Latin America, Facebook Marketplace or Instagram is actually a huge niche here. But for those places, Google and Amazon Marketplace, as well as social media channels. And also they can sell in person, brick and mortar locations, pop-up shops, or events and festivals. Because of uh, this huge dynamic natures, I also look at the top players in the merchant space, right? So you have Allbirds, which is a footwear company focused on creating food and footwears for using natural resource and being sustainable. And the Cheekbone company, or this Cheekbones Beauty, a cosmetic company dedicated to making products to be cruelty free and vegan. And then I look at the partners. So partners are key collaborators in Shopify. So they provide a wide range of professional service to merchants to meet their needs and goals, and also to help them grow. So once you sign to a Shopify partner, and you will have access to this community of professionals that depend of their specialty and goals. You can choose a particular branch, and that can be product, Shopify product partnerships, or Shopify growth partnerships. So for the first, you have foundationals and ecosystems. Foundationals are those who provide support to the Shopify core features, whether it's OS, applications, and service. And the ecosystems are people that build one size fit all solutions that meet many merchants' needs, for example, and they can sell them. So they sell to them. So, for example, themes, apps, uh, payment processing, sales channels. And then you have is the growth partnership, which are partners that help the business to grow, meet their needs, and bring more merchants to the platform. So you have something called agencies, which is one example of Shopify growth partnership agencies. So they are not a freelance company. In fact, they are small or large company or businesses that serve one or many merchants. And when Shopify talk about Shopify partner, then they exclusively mean is the foundational uh, product partnerships. And when customer service or supporting channels, marketing campaigns, or programs talk about partners, they don't mean foundational. Okay, so with this distinction about all of these players, then I look from the Shopify perspective, from the Shopify partner perspective, is the merchants and how to understand that, because this is all kind of entrepreneurs that the things that they sell vary vastly, whether it is from digital or physical products to subscriptions and memberships, also perhaps events and experience, classes and lessons. So the thing is merchants will sell whatever their buyers are, they happen to be. So that's right. So merchants will sell whatever their buyers are happen to be. So Shopify, to make the life of the Shopify partner much more easy, it breaks down into four categories to help them identify them. So you have pre-commerce, which are the new kids on the block, and they are they are the start of their journey business, as well with Shopify. They might choose this as a part-time job or side hustle. Then you have the sellers, which are people that are making connections and building their customer base. They might have several years using the platform, and they are most of the time dedicated full time to the job, and they don't have any employees and sell online and in person. So this group represents a the vast majority of the Shopify merchants based on their GMV, the gross merchandise value. And then you have the established. So these are businesses that are holding their own, and most of the time they are self-sustaining. So they are looking is for a way to grow their businesses, relying on the Shopify applications and features. So once those businesses now perform at the highest peak of the Shopify, so which are well-established businesses, and they have so they are a well-established business. So it is a large business, well-established, and you can now find them to buying or having multiple locations, or perhaps also having several employees. So they most of the time, and when they reach to those level of performance, they go with platforms like Shopify Plus platforms, right? And they call them mature. So knowing your audience here, okay, especially when you have to talk to any one of these businesses, so you can have a little bit of perspective of what are you going to deal with, who are who, who are you going to deal with, what are their challenge, and how you can help them. This is crucial, my friend. This is key, by the way. Okay, so knowing that, then I look at the Shopify ecosystem and how partners can grow with that. So again, recognize that the Shopify partners are key collaborators, and they're having tremendous impact on the merchants' uh, success and growth, because Shopify doesn't have the capacity to be everything for everyone. So Shopify partners fill the gap in the products, uh, as well as to improve this the merchant's needs. So whether you are a small business or large corporation, you can go with any of these plans that match your merchant's needs, or that match the merchant's needs. So you have the starter plan where you can start, sell on social channels, or if your business are performing at high levels, aka you have a large business, well established, that have to deal with high orders, international sales, complex business operations, withholding relationships, especially using CRM, and finding ways to sell your products in new sales channels. For these kind of businesses, you have is a Shopify Plus partner. However, whatever plans you choose to go with, okay, Shopify provide is a basic tool set, which is templates, tools to start sell in multiple locations, as well as payment processing, checkout, and SEO and marketing tools. So there's a lot of things going on here that you don't have to worry about. And most of the times is a combination between the technical aspect as well as the marketing. So as a Shopify partner, okay, what you can do. So for this program, the Shopify partner program, which is free, and you can have access and experience the Shopify platforms by developing unlimited amount of stores, which are Shopify stores, which are free Shopify stores that you can use as a template to use them for your client store. And uh, yeah, you can use. So the whole point of this Shopify partner program is that this is free, uh, so this is free and allow people to experience the Shopify platform. So by creating this unlimited store, this unlimited development store, which are free Shopify store that you can use to build online themes and applications for the client store and act as a testing and developing environment for those features. So for themes and applications. So this is the basic playground that you are as a Shopify partner program. Okay, so whether it's on a product or on growth side. So despite this, what are the things that these Shopify partners can provide to merchants and how they interact with merchants? Well, you can sell online themes. You can provide your service by building and selling online themes, building and selling online applications, as well as developing and set up stores and integrating with third-party service for growth. Okay, so this is the task or the service that the Shopify partners can provide to merchants. And the other is, okay, but how the Shopify partners earn money? Well, depends on the activity and the Shopify Partner Plus you choose, which are two sources of income, okay, or two streams of revenue. That can be break down into, well, developing store referrals, okay, Shopify Plus referrals or upgrades, building in this, so building and launching online themes to the theme store, building and deploying or publishing applications on the App Store, whether it's for uh, payment processors, custom sales channels, uh, that kind of thing. And the other is through the through referrals, for example, the Shopify directory program, as well as promotions, whether it's on the Shopify POS Pro Bounty referrals or the Shopify POS payment incentive, aka this is part of the, how do you call it? So this is part of the loyalty programs. All right. So knowing at least these several ways of how Shopify partners can earn money, okay, which is good, which is great, by the way. Interesting. I thought I opened that. The Shopify here Foundation certification. Then I also look at the Shopify Plus program. So this is an exclusive group for those Shopify partners or professionals that perform at the highest level, meet and exceed the client needs, and provide an excellent customer support. This is something that you say that is easy. So this is very very easy to say. Now when you put at practice, oh, you need to find a system, a mechanism to do that. So yeah, the Shopify Plus partner, okay, and how. So what are the services that the Shopify Plus partner provide? Uh, Most of the time is business strategy consulting, 3D modeling, and web management. So website management. This is not web development. Management. Each one of them, most of the time, focus on the management. But again, this is the service provided by Shopify Plus partner, business strategy and consulting, 3D modeling, and website management. So understanding this and how Shopify uh, mm, typically works with the design and development agencies, digital marketing agencies, system integrator, and business consult or enterprise consulting with this program. Okay, because now this is not about is building things. This is all about managing stuff and growing. So developing a strategy here. So this is something that I am aligned with. Okay. Yep. I'm very aligned with that. So then I look at the Shopify affiliate program. Okay. This is another program of how Shopify partners can grow, and talk these are entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, content creators that teach their audience on how to teach their audience about entrepreneurship, but with Shopify, you know. So these programs is free to join and enables participants to monetize their audience and earn commission for that. Okay, so the program itself is free to join. It enables the participants to monetize their audience and earn a commission from each new Shopify merchants referrals that sign up for a plan that sign up for a paid plan with a unique affiliate tracking link. This is something very, very specific, but this is how they can earn money here. So the Shopify affiliate program tells entrepreneurs, content creators, influencers, and educators, hey, you can earn money, so you can monetize your audience by teaching them about entrepreneurship in with Shopify, but based on these new merchants that sign up for a pay plan with their using their unique affiliate tracking link. This is part of the affiliate program, and this is something that uh, is is a tool used for a lot of this affiliate programs. So all of these affiliate programs uh, are based on that. So when you see someone that is teaching a particular platform, okay, or that is teaching something, whether it's an influencer, content creator, entrepreneur, whatever, you name it, right? So when you see one of them, yep. So when you see, um, yeah. So when you see, mhm. So when you see online, Instagram, TikTok, or any of these social media platforms, so when you see someone that is teaching about something, especially on the entrepreneurship, uh, is because they have behind that they have an affiliate program. Because if a particular audience is teaching you about something and then is trying to sell something, uh, that is using the affiliate program, and these affiliate programs work for a reason, because you as an audience, you by building your audience, you are creating trust based on the thing that you have done in the past. Okay, and this is something very, very important, especially for newcomers or for anyone that wants to build a digital, wanting to build a career in the digital economy. Especially true for anyone who wants to build a career in the digital economy. So with that, uh, knowing that, so when you see someone that is trying to sell you, or that is teaching you or showing you something about a topic, and then he sell you something, they're using is the affiliate marketing. That's what happened. That's the another reason why you should be careful about how you use your image on the internet. You should be careful about that. You should be very, very careful about what is the image that you want to project to others. Because, like it or not, people will assume that that's your self. That's your image. So you have to be very careful about what is the image you want to project on the social media. All right. So, uh, with that, uh, here I'm talking is the affiliate program, Shopify affiliate program, and AKA these affiliate programs work the same. Uh, what you're doing is just white labeling the affiliate program. In Spanish, this is un etiquetado blanco de programas de afiliados, right? And yeah, this is very beautiful to describe because with this you can say, oh, you know what? Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Holy moly. Mm-hmm. Is that it's like, you know what? This. Mm-hmm. 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 Interesting. Interesting. Very, very interesting. This affiliate program is because right now I'm making this connection, this needed connection here. When you see someone out there teaching teaching something about a topic and then selling you a thing, is because they're using the affiliate program based on something, based on in this case is using Shopify. But the whole point of this is to for those content creator influencers, yeah, but for those, yeah, for those content creator influencers, for those content creator influencers, entrepreneurs in social, yeah. So for those entrepreneurs, influencers, social or content creators, these affiliate programs allow them to monetize from their audience by uh, creating is a new account in that particular platform. uh, Once they pay or once they sign up for a paid plan using using a unique affiliate tracking link, using an affiliate tracking link. So if you're teaching your audience based on what you're doing, how you're doing, your audience will likely to approve and provide and buy the thing that you are selling to them, my friend. That's what happened. Your audience will likely to believe, will likely to say, hey, yes, okay, this person is doing this and so on and so forth, and so they are providing his value to them. They are providing his value to them. Interesting. That's one of the reasons why you should create is this. Holy moly. That's one of the reasons you should create this newsletter. Because this, okay, you need to freaking create this newsletter, man. You need to create this newsletter, man. You need to create this newsletter, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Schedule that and create that. And create that. Create that, man. Create that. Create it because you know that you have to do this. So create newsletter. Create weekly. Create weekly. Yeah, create weekly newsletter. Create weekly newsletter. Mm-hmm. Create weekly newsletter. And this is something important because it's create weekly newsletter based on your challenge and problems you are facing. Mm-hmm. Based on your problems you are facing. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. So this is the Shopify affiliate program. And how to join to that program? Well, you have to host, so you have to own and run an active business. You must have an audience, an established audience. You must create original content, have experience with e-commerce, Shopify and other e-commerce platforms, have read the following Shopify affiliate marketing programs, terms and conditions. So in any case, in order to apply for this affiliate program, you must have uh, and run an active website or have an established audience, create original content, or have experience with e-commerce. The whole point of this is to you must know about what you're talking. You must know what you're talking, or you must have an audience or a website, a create original content course. Is this. So now that I know that, then I look at the Shopify platforms components. First, the admin dashboard. This is one stop of all of the critical merchants business operations. So from products, product management, inventory, and orders, as well as the store activity, uh, store activity and daily tasks. This is a place where you can uh, set up a store, the dashboard, the admin dashboard, set up a store, configure it, uh, set up a store, configure it, and manage your business. This is what you can do in the admin dashboard. Set up a store, configure it, and manage your business. So this is one aspect. Then you have the uh, collaborator accounts, which is helpful uh, when you need to, for example, provide access to other persons on behalf of yourself as this merchant as a merchant, without having to share your password. You can share as many as you want, as many as you can, or as many as you see fit. Then I also look at the Shopify. So Shopify core products they provide is the online store, the checkout, and admin features. So another component in the Shopify platform. Now that I look at the admin dashboard, the collaborator accounts, the Shopify, the checkout, the online store, the checkout, and the administration, the admin features is also the Shopify app store, which here Shopify provide a basic business or basic. So Shopify covers the basic every business needs, and for everything else, there's an app. Okay, that's what Shopify covers here: the online store, the checkout, and admin features. So Shopify covers the basics. So Shopify covers the basics every business needs, but for everything else, there is an app But for everything else, there is an app. For everything else, there is apps here. For everything else, there is apps, and there are two types of apps. So you have public apps and custom apps. So public apps are applications that either can be accessible and searchable through the Shopify app store or not, but you can download it from the Shopify app store or from the Shopify app URL store. Okay, and the other is the custom app. So custom apps are exclusively for a specific store. So knowing this distinction from another component of the Shopify. So far we have the dashboard, the collaborator account, uh, the Shopify itself, the online store, the checkout, and the admin features, the Shopify App Store, which Shopify cover the basic business needs, but everything else, or for everything else, there is apps. And here you have public apps, private apps. So public apps are either searchable, so listable. They are either listed and searchable on the app store, or you can or not, but you can download it using the app store URL. And then you have custom, which are exclusively for single Shopify store. Okay. Another component is the sell channels. And sell channels allows merchants to promote their products and sell in beyond the online store. And doing this is something quite complex because all the inner mechanisms and the intertwined code. But after all, this sales channels, okay, this sales channels, that's what allow to merchants, okay, allow merchants to promote and sell their products beyond the online store. So, uh, such as in place like online search, in person, and social media. Okay, in online search, Google, Amazon, you name it, right? So online search, in person, in social media. So social channels, and this is something very, very interesting right now to describe the general aspect of where are the most common places that merchants can promote and sell their products. So through online search, whether it's on Amazon or Google, through online search, social media, or online or in person. Okay, so in person location, which is another sales channel. So sales channels include is online store. This is a one sales channels. And when you talk about sales channels, is one of the many avenues that a business has to promote and sell product and service to customers. Okay, so you can think of that as a row or as an avenue where you can do that, right? So you have online store, you have POS, also the shop app, which allow customers to track their package and browse and buy products. So shop app and shop pay, which save the customers, and this is something very, very sensitive here. So shop pay stores the customers uh, billing, payment, and shipping address, but you have to be very careful with that. So Google, so you can sync your products and online store with the Google Merchants Center. I wasn't aware of that because that you live in Latam, bro. You live in Latam. That's what happens. You live in Latam, and you don't have access to a lot of this new way of exchange the value. You know, this you don't know any of this. You are not exposed to any of this. That's what happens, and there is nothing wrong with that. So Google. So sync your store and so sync your product and store information with Google Merchant Center and as well as social media channels. So knowing at least this basic foundation of these several avenues in which business can promote and sell their product or service to customers, you have online store, you have POS, as well as social media channels, Google by sync your store and product information with their Google Merchant Center. You also have the Shop app as well as the ShopPay. The Shop app is an app tracking. It's an app package tracking and allow customers to allow customer to browse and buy products and service, and ShopPay, which save the billing, payment, and shipping customer data. So this is these different sales channels. So understand that is crucial, vital. This is part of the foundation, and you can now open your mind to new. Yeah, you can. It open your mind to new stuff. Okay, it open your mind, or it expose yourself uh, to other concept, to other challenge, as well. All right, I I freaking love this. Yep, I must say that I freaking love this. Yep, completely, man. Yeah, yeah, totally, man, totally. I must say that I completely love this. Yep. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Interesting. Very, very interesting. These sales channels. Okay. And the sales channels are added to the store throughout the sales channel section. Once channels are added, admin will display their data in one location. So this is something that the shop here. Okay, so admin will display their data in one location once you enable the shell a sell channel. And then you have Shopify partners. Shopify partners can build sales channels, apps that helps connect merchants to buyers. Okay, so now Shopify partners can build uh, channels for merchants to connect merchants with buyers, and again they can create these sales channels. Interesting. So you're creating is this sales channel. There's different avenues to promote and sell your product and service to customers. Interesting. In the particular context of Shopify, beyond the online store, whether it's on online search, where the attention are, period, where the attention are, which is something that they don't describe here. But so you can sell these sales channels is allowing merchants to sell uh, their to promote and sell their products and service where people put their attention, where there's eyeballs, and right now is on online search, social media, and in person. Okay, broadly speaking. Okay, so social media channels are, well, the POS, the online store, the ShopPay and Shop app. The Shop app is this app tracking package system for customers, and well, they can browse and buy. Well, they can browse. Well, they can browse and buy products or service. And ShopPay save the billing address for. So yeah, it saves the billing address for uh, it saves the billing information. It saves the billing products and shipping customer address. Another channel is Google. So uh, you can sync your store or products in the Google Merchant Store, in the Google Merchant Center, as well as social channels. So each one of them, Shopify merchants can help you to build these channels uh, that connect merchants to customers. Interesting, interesting. And then I also look at another feature from the Shopify, which is Shop app. Okay, as I mentioned before, this is a customer app for tracking package while browsing and buying products from their merch from their mer from while buying products from their favorite merchants and brands. Okay, that's the whole point of this. All right, cool, cool, cool. Um, so yeah, yeah. And then right now in today's video, I'm gonna look at the Shopify Money, POS, and Shopify. So okay, let's go. Let's hit it, man. Let's hit it. So Shopify Money here. Money, money, money. Shopify Money. So Shopify Money, Shopify Pay offer fast and convenient checkout by saving and pre-filling customer information. So Shopify Pay offer a fast, convenient checkout by saving and pre-filling customer information, leading to more sales. ShopPay is available in online store, is in the Shop app, and through social channels like Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Pay in installments. ShopPay installment is a buy now, pay later solution. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! You gotta be careful with this. So ShopPay installment is a buy now, pay later solution for merchants. It gives customer more flexibility at checkout by letting them pay over time using Klarna or any of these credit score companies. While merchants get paid in full upfront, there's no fee and customers are offered flexible payment plans. There's no fee. Let's more about ShopPay installment. That's one of the reasons why, for example, Rich Cooper, the kind of people in the manosphere, is saying that it's like, man, you don't need that. You'll wonder that with how little you need to live. Shop pay. hmm I get it, man. Now I get what is this. We offer another buy now, pay later provider, but ShopPay installment is getting 90% of the action. Of course, because again, I can promote this. I can promote this and have my own social media channels about talking is the I can have I can have a social media channel doing this personal responsibility or any of the social community information out there. So millions of shoppers are already using ShopPay installment. Our buy now, pay later solution is the largest installment payment provider for Shopify merchants in the United States. Of course. Why I'm not surprised. The best converting checkout on the internet. Discover ShopPay. Frequently asked question. What is buy now pay later? Uh, enjoy now. Enjoy now while it lasts. Enjoy now while it lasts. But now buy now pay later let customers spread the cost of their purchase over time, allowing them to maximize their budget and increasing their purchasing power. This is something great as long as it doesn't promote an overconsumption. So what should I use ShopPay installment? What if customer don't pay? Is my store eligible for ShopPay installment? What is ShopPay installment premium package? How do I add ShopPay installment to my online store? Login and check eligibility. Of course, because not all store can do that. And add Shopify has buy now, pay later solution. Again, mm, it is okay. Okay, interesting. Oh, come on, man. Fuck off. How do I shop? How do I offer ShopPay installment in my retail store? Be sure to review in-store training materials and marketing research. That's one of the reasons that you should is promote. That's one of the reasons why you should teach your audience. Man, I okay, all right. I am definitely aligned to this. Teach your audience because you want. If you are truly selfish, you recognize that in order to be yourself first, you must face your own demons and solve your inner problems and acknowledge that the rest of the people, those who are close to you, must do good as well. That's what happened. That's what happened. That's it. All right. So yeah, this is what you get. A powerful, flexible buy now, pay later solution. Log in to check eligibility. Help center, blog, marketing tool. So yeah, rates from 0.37% APR. What the F stand APR? Annual, annual per revenue. Like no, the hell? Sales, APR sales. Okay, what the hell does it mean this? APR calculator. Based on customer credits. Oh, based on customer credits. How do you calculate APA rate? And after all, what is the APR? How to calculate APR on money you borrow? Annual percentage rate. Holy hell! Annual percentage rate. Oh man, that's a rate from 0 to 37%. For example, an 800 purchase might cost 72.1 month over 12 years at 50 APR, annual percentage rate. So meaning that you end up paying more than that. Meaning that you end up paying more than that. Meaning that you're paying more than that. Payment options through ShopPay installments are subject to eligibility and are provided by Affirm's lending partner, Affirm.com lenders. Options depend on your purchase amount, and down payment may be required. More options may be available upon approval. State notice to consumers. hmm Okay. Shopify Capital offers merchants quick and easy access to funds that will help them to grow their business. Pay in installment. What actually mean pay in installment? Shop pay. It's because this provides a fast and convenient checkout by saving. Shop pay is an application. hmm So this meet the best converting accelerating turnout checkout. hmm Oh my god! Reduce your store's cardboard footprint. Stop fraud and secure your business. Trust by the world's fastest growing brand. Like what? For example, who's eligible for Shop Pay? Any merchant using Shopify Payment gets Shopify Pay automatically. Shopify Pay. Installment payments. Installment refers to the option to pay for purchase over time by dividing the purchase amount into smaller equal payment. This is for Visa, a new way for consumers to pay, but you for using a fee, man. Paying in installment. Investopedia, my friend. And this is an installment loan. This is loan. An installment loan is a financial vehicle which a lenders agree to be paid back in installment versus one payment. For example, a mortgage payment is a type of installment loans repaid by the borrower in monthly installment that include principal and interest. Exactly, but it includes principal and interest. Installment consumers can buy now and pay later. Offer your customers installment payment plan on an API-based solution. What the hell is it? Introduction to installment payment. Pay 200. Pay 200. Pay 200. Okay. For over 4 months, zero fees. Installment consumers can buy now and pay later. Check eligibility. API for interested from Visa. Okay, pay now. Visa installment. A new way for consumers to pay. It is correct to say pay in installment to one installment. Pay in installment. What is buy now, pay later, according to the Nerd Wallet? hmm Buy now, pay later divides your total purchase into series of equal installments, with the first due at checkout. Buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later on BNPL is a type of installment loan. It divides your purchase into multiple equal payments, with the first due at checkout. The remaining payments are billed to your debit, credit card, or bank accounts until your purchase is paid in full. Yeah, it's divided by. Zero interest plan available. No minimum credit score required. Available at most major retailers during checkout. Some plans may charge interest, some plans may charge fees. Payment may not Payment may not report to the three main credit bureaus. Payments may not report to three main credit bureaus. Easy to overspend. Dispute and returns can be challenging. For some shoppers, paying with alternatives like credit cards may be a smart financing choice. Mhm. Not only do most credit cards earn rewards or cashback, but they also report on-time payments to the credit bureaus, which not many BNLP companies do. A history of on-time payments can help build your credit and open the door to more affordable financial options in the future. What app let you buy now, pay later? Affirm, Apple later, Klarna. Jesus. hmm Zero interest credit card. APR, annual percentage rate. hmm Interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Paying installment. In other words, you split your paying, uh, split split the purchase or split the buy, split the price. Yeah, split the price into smaller payments, into smaller equal payments. hmm So this is pay in installment. So okay, you have Shopify Money. Okay, so Shopify Money you have is ShopPay. So so ShopPay, uh, so ShopPay is let customers save their billing, payment, and shipping information. Uh, okay, so ShopPay. So it's a convenient checkout by saving and fulfilling customer information, leading to more sales. ShopPay is available in online store, in the Shop app, and through social channels like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Pay. Mm, so ShopPay, meet the best converting accelerate checkout. ShopPay, and of course, accelerated checkout is that ultimately make it easy for customers to buy stuff. I'm not saying to buy things that they don't need, but to buy stuff. If they actually finance and overconsumption is up to them. They are grown up people with passport. They are grown up people with passport. They are grown up people with passport. Mhm. This is very, very interesting, my friend. Shopee. This is F interest, man. This is F interest, by the way. This is F interesting. This is also something that I don't think a lot of people actually using that. Hmm. Mm. Very, 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 very interesting. Shopify pay in installment, meaning is split the price into equal payments. Split the price into equal payments. Shopify Capital and Shopify Payments and Balance. Hmm. 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 Interesting. Interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Okay. So, so ShopPay. Okay. So this is another feature, especially on the shop in the Shopify Money. ShopPay, an app, an app that let uh, a checkout, so a customer checkout app. Mhm. A customer checkout app that store billing, address, and shipping data. A customer checkout app that stores billing, address, and shipping data. And then you have is the Shopify pay in installment or pay in installment. Shop Pay provide this. So Shop Pay provide this, buy later. Provide this, buy later. So buy now, pay later is splitting is splitting is splitting price tag in equal payments. Is splitting is splitting is splitting price tag is splitting is splitting price tag in equal payments. That's what it is. Exactly. So payment in installment. Payment in installment. Payment in installment. Holy shit. Payment in installment. Shopify Capital. Exactly. Shopify Capital. Okay. Yeah, Shopify Capital. Offer merchants quick and easy access to funds that will help them to grow their business. Capital saves them time and effort of applying for loans. You have to be careful when you ask loan. You have to be careful when you ask loan. Through a traditional lender and offer flexible payback options like percentage of their sales. So Shopify Capital mhm, offers funds to merchants as a quick way to ask loans to help them grow their businesses. It's a funding, period, funding. And then you have Shopify payments. Let merchants accept credit cards and other popular payment methods. This feature is included with all Shopify accounts, so no need to install an additional app. It just has to be turned on. Learn more about Shop Payment. Mhm. Different payment methods. Different payment methods. So it let you choose Visa, Mastercard, American Express, ShopPay. This is the competition of it. ShopPay, Apple Pay, GPay. Keep payment info and business data safe. Shopify payment is BAC compliant, support 3D secure checkout. 3D secure checkout, PCA compliant servers, and payment data encryption. This is what happened when this is what happened when the user is more ignorant than the device they are using. Integrate back office, feel in control of your cash flow. Exactly. Feel. Question is how you are. Yeah, you feel in control of your cash flow. Question is, do you? Have a complete, because feel is different to have. Those verbs are actually quite different. So feel is not the same to have. Have a complete view of your finance. Only with Shopify payments can you track only with Shopify payments can you track your orders and payments all in one place. Learn more about Shopify payments. Browse articles and learn how to accept credit card payment with Shopify. Exactly, credit card payments. And then you got this. Browse pricing plans for individual and small business. Everything you need to create your store, ship products, and process payment. This is payment. Shopify small business. Fraud analysis, fraud analysis, and fraud analysis. View fuel price details here. Try Shopify for free. This is exactly they're selling that. And their plans. Basic report, professional reports. Only store sales channels, point of sale, 24/7 support, retail. Get your first 3 months for $1. Allbirds, Gymshark, Brooklinen, Lisa, Kylie, Crate Barrel, and Untucked. Dead Wish Coffee, Jingaloo, Rebecca Minkoff. Frequently asked question. What is Shopify POS? Store setup question, payment questions, general questions. Holy moly. And then Shopify payments here is that okay, begin accepting payments instantly. Let your customer pay their way, convenient checkout. Enable popular payments method and local currency for a smooth checkout experience. So this Shopify payments here that merchants accept credit cards and other popular payment method instantly. So Shopify payment So Shopify payments like this, uh, is allowing them or lets customers or let merchants in this case exactly let merchants allow customer to pay with credit card or their favorite or any other popular payment method. Any other popular payment methods, whether it's ShopPay, whether it's Visa, MasterCard, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, ShopPay, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Interesting. But this is the exact. So let's so allow merchants. No, what the fuck you think you're doing? Let merchants allow customers. No. Let merchants. No. Let merchants or merchants allow customers to pay with their credit cards or any other popular payment methods. Payment methods in India, in US, are American Express, Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and ShopPay, which is from Shopify. Interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. As well as the Shopify Balance. Shopify Balance is a money management account that makes it easy to manage and store payment and transaction from one place. Manage store payments and transaction from one place. So Shopify Finance or Balance in this case, Shopify Balance. Holy moly, my friend. That's right. Shopify Money, ShopPay, Pay Installment, Shopify Capital, Shopify Payments, and Shopify Balance. So allow merchants to manage to manage to manage store payment, store payment, store payments and transactions, and transactions from one place. That's what it does. Merchants can also earn cashback and receive partner offers when they use your Shopify Balance card. Oh, of course. This is the same thing. So all of this business, what they have done is to create their own money, their own currency. So this currency will be used and it is valid only in here. So this is an old this is an old practice, by the way. This is an old practice, my friend. This is an old practice. Not a bank account, better. Make better money, move for the long-term health of your business. Jesus F Christ, man. Manage your store finance whenever, whatever. Open your free Shopify Balance account in minutes. But again, the Shopify Balance uh, is a money management account. And when they say money management account, is that let you manage your store payment and transactions from one place. Is a money management account. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Completely. Mm-hmm. That's right. Shopify allows merchants Shopify allows merchants to manage store payments and transactions. But this is what it does, the Shopify finance balance. The Shopify balance allows to manage their store payment and transactions. Mhm. So they have a fine, much more control about where their money goes, who is paying that, and that kind of thing, which is exactly kind of the thing that I'm doing here using this spreadsheet, is managing my own uh, payments and expense and keep track of those transactions by the way. So keep track of those transactions completely. That make it easy to manage that. And merchants can also earn cash back and receive partner offer when they use Shopify balance. So they can also merchants can also receive cash back, cash back, exactly. They can also receive cash back. Merchants can also receive cash back when they use Shopify balance cash. When they use Shopify balance card. Okay, interesting. So this is the features of Shopify Money. All right. So in the Shopify Money, you have the Shop app, payment in install, which is splitting the price tag in uh, several equal payments, uh, as well as Shopify app. Okay, Shop app. Interesting. Shop app. Okay, so Shop app. Okay, Shop app. Exactly. So they have Shop app, payment and install. Shop app, payment and install. Uh, Shopify payments that allow merchants to where merchants allow the customer to pay using credit card or their popular payment platforms, whether it is Visa, Mastercard, American Express, Google Pay, Google ShopPay or Apple Pay. Okay, as well as Balance, Shopify Balance. Okay, so ShopPay, payment and install, Shopify Capital, which is receiving, so merchants can receive funds to make it easy access to loans to help grow their business. Shopify Capital, and then you have Shopify Payments, uh, in Shopify Balance, Shopify App, payment in installment, pay in installment. It's like the Shopify app, which is a customer checkout app that stores billing address and shipping data. Okay, this is a customer checkout app that store billing billing address and shipping data. ShopPay. Okay, you have ShopPay, paying installments, Shopify Capital, payment or Shopify payments and Shopify balance. Okay. Okay, so what is a Shopify POS or point of sale? All right, so that'll be all for this video. Take care. Bye-bye.